How to insert bullet points on Microsoft Word. Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to easily add bullet points to your list on Microsoft Word. But before we get started, make sure to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to our channel. On that note, let's begin. So if you are making a list of something on Microsoft Word like this, and you want to add bullet points to these, this is how you do it. So the very first thing that you want to do is select the text that you want to add bullet point to. So for example, if I want to add bullet point to this first list, I'm just going to click on this icon right here on my home section. Here is this. So this is the default bullet point of Microsoft Word. Now if you want to add this to all of them, select all of these like this, and then click on add bullet points like this, and the default bullet point will be added to all of these. But if you want to try different ones, click on this drop down here, and here is your bullet library. So here is a circular one, a square, a different color one, diamond shaped, arrows, and check mark. So if you want to change the list level, you can do that from here as well. Or if you want to define a new bullet, you can do that as well. Click on symbol, and you can choose from all of these symbols right here. You can even add numbers to them. So right besides the bullet point, click on this to add numbers. Click on the drop down to find different variations like number and dot, number and parentheses, the romanized numbers, ABC, small ABC, and then many more of these variations. So that's pretty much it for this video. If you found it helpful, hit the like, share, and subscribe button. I will see you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching.